And what up, what's good with y'all? I'm just doing this little pre-vlog to kind of let y'all know tomorrow I'm probably not gonna be doing much talking in the vlog. I'm just about to be jumping into the 300ZX and getting this done. I plan on having this thing done and running tomorrow, but I kind of just want to emphasize on kind of like what's been going on. Like, bruh, it's just been, you know, hella stressful. Things been hectic. Like, I've just been in like go mode. Like, there's been hella things that's been happening, like far as my personal life goes, that I've just been like running over, just been like fuck it, trying to push through it. Last night I got literally like no sleep last night, like zero. I stayed up all night when I got off work, just laying there thinking about shit. Everybody gets to that point where they just have that breaking point. Like, you can't always be strong. Like, you can put on the front, try to be strong. Like, I'm constantly telling people in my DMs, people hitting me up needing motivation. It's like, bruh, keep your head up, you know, push through it. Eventually things will get better. You know, it just ain't your time right now, but eventually it is if you keep working at it. Like, people see you and be like, oh, you know, life must be good, it must be easy being Mike. Like, it's not, man. You know, there's things that I go through that I don't say, and I don't that I kind of just blow over. I try to push to the back of my head, not think about it, and just keep going. Like, when I get in, like when I'm trying to be focused, it's like I'm trying to focus on one particular thing. You just stay in go mode and just go over everything. You just run over stuff. You don't think about everything. You just kind of just let it sit there, and hopefully it eventually just goes away. But yeah, last night, you feel me, I had kind of like my breakdown, and I ain't trying to be that nigga that jumps on here and preaching and getting all emotional to, you know, to his fan base and shit. Like, I never wanted to be that nigga. I felt like that shit was like made you look weak. But at the end of the day, I do have an audience. I want to show people that I fucking go through stuff, bro. Like, I break down. It's not even financial things. Like, people will look at you and be like, oh, you know, your cars are nice, you know, you got, obviously you getting money. Like, yeah, but you know, money and having nice things doesn't solve all your problems all the time. Like, there's indirect situations that affect me directly that I have no power over, that I can't fucking change. Like, you know, that stuff that just kind of like just weighs you down. Like, people don't know that my girl had a miscarriage not too long ago. You know, I'm constantly I'm always here with my grandmother. I'm watching her health like deplete, and you know, that shit's hurtful because I'm trying to, you know, stay strong and be the man, but it's like seeing her, you know, hands swelling up and shit like that. Like, that shit, like, it drives me crazy because my grandmother, like, I was raised with my grandmother, so you know, when I'm seeing this type of shit, a woman that was so strong and so powerful that you know, took on everything for me, and now it's like the role is kind of flipped, and I'm trying to be, you know, her shoulder. I'm trying to be strong for her and all this other stuff. But you know, that shit's, you know, it's hurtful when you see people that you love like that. You got one of my partners just yesterday just died of cancer, young, healthy, you know, athletic, playing football, everything. Like, you would never think of it, and all of a sudden cancer, and then a year later, you feel me, my nigga gone. I got partners that just went down, you know, a couple partners all in a ring of shit, damn near probably about to get life. So it's like you're losing people. You fucking, like, always like keep, no matter how big you start getting, and it's like I'm starting to get to that point where it's like, damn, it's like I don't want to reach my peak and then not have anybody to share these moments with. You feel me? It's like, if I get to my biggest point and I become the best that I can be, it's like, what do I get out of it if I'm not enjoying it with the people that I want to enjoy it with? So, you know, the indirect things that I can't change or do nothing about is the shit that's just like pulling me down. Like, it's fucking crazy. But you know, at the end of the day, I am human. I go through things, but like right now I am like, I want to say like at my breaking point where, you know, things just feel like everything's coming down at once, and you know, it's like way pulling my morale and everything down. But I'm just letting y'all know, for this video, I'm probably not gonna really do much talking. I'm just gonna be trying to work and you know, just clear my head. Like, you know, it's been a while. You know, back in the day, this is what I used to do. I used to come out here and work on my cars as peace of mind. So I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing for this video. There isn't gonna be much talking, much narrative or anything like that. But I do plan on having this thing done tomorrow and back together and running. But you know, I wasn't gonna vlog it, but I felt like I need to give you guys the, you know, it wouldn't make sense for me to not show y'all, you know, it coming back together, since I had just posted a video of me working on it. So I feel like I owe y'all this content, but at the same time, it's like I feel like I owe myself a little bit of peace of mind. So bear with me on this vlog. Sorry if, you know, it's not as energetic, has as much narrative as I usually do, but like I said, I do plan on getting this done for y'all. But as of right now, you feel me, your boy is just like super stressed, you feel me? So yeah, just bear with me, and you know, hopefully, you know, I'll get my marbles and everything back together. But as of right now, this is, you know, this is the situation. But it is what it is, bro. Like, we all human. But let's just get into today, or tomorrow, I should say. car is probably about I want to say 90% put back together, but it should be ready to start. Only thing I need to do is disconnect the downpipe, down there by the trans because there's a little mount on it. And since this turbo doesn't have the adapter which pushes it out about 1 inch, my downpipe doesn't line up. But once I disconnect it from down there and just move it forward a little bit, it'll be fine. Just need to remake the mount down there, but downpipe and everything should still work. Everything tightened up. I need to rerun the boost controller. Also need to add a boost port on the front of the turbo, so that's not hooked up right now. But I'm gonna rerun these lines and get them shorter and stuff and probably tuck them around over here. But for now, this is it should start up. Hopefully. Battery's probably dead though, but let's see. So fuel pump fuse pulled. Getting ready to prime the turbo real fast. Yep. Nope. Battery dead. Ah. I don't know if you guys remember that we tried to tune it, but the old injectors were all messed up. So I ended up putting new injectors in, but then when I had the new injectors in, tried to start it up, but the tune was already off because we had been fucking with it and compensating for the clogged injector. So re-uploaded my old tune, my original tune that was on the SR, and it seems to be running fine now. But I'm about to get under here and I'm about to loosen up the downpipe mount, and I'm just about to get the downpipe on here all the way, and then I'm gonna let this thing idle and just go over everything and check it a little bit better. So get under the car. I thought it was gonna be just like a little bolt to this thing. Well, looks like Janky made a whole little fucking bracket. So since I can't get the downpipe to sit where I need it to sit because it's hitting right here, since the new turbo is a little bit smaller and it's pushing it forward, gotta chop this off. Janky gonna be mad, but it's cool. He can redo it. Alright. Oh yeah, kids, safety. I was under there with safety glasses. Downpipe all good. Just need to remake the mount down there. But it's solid, so it ain't going nowhere. It doesn't sit low or anything. Exhaust still needs to be done anyway. So, but downpipe on, got clearance to the steering rack, so we all good up here as far as all that goes. Lower this thing back down and then just restart it up. Go ahead. All right, just let it idle. Just let it idle. Hey, for a cold start on E85, that's how I know it's like way better. Before, I didn't want to start up on E85 and idle. Now it's like idling and everything, cool. Alright, so when you unplug the injectors, you don't have anything, like nothing changes as far as the way the car is running. That one does a little bit. This one doesn't change anything. And then here you go, also doesn't change anything. But when you unplug the front coil pack, no change. Second coil pack, no real change. But then when you get to the back and you unplug the black one, the car wants to die. And when you unplug that rear one, the car wants to die. So something's going on with the two front coil packs. Probably need to check ground, or these two coil packs are bad. But Definitely the 2 front cylinders having an issue with spark. We have fuel, but something's going on with the spark, so I'm gonna have to end up figuring that out in a little bit or on another day. But I know for sure something's going on with the front 2 coil packs. I don't know if it's in the wiring or if it's the actual coil packs that just took a dump on me. I really like the way this little turbo sounds. Like, it sounds good. It sounds like it has a T51R mod, but more of a traditional like turbo sound versus the high pitch of the T51R. So I'm happy with how this little thing sounds. Pretty sure it's gonna be nasty once I retune it, but I'm gonna probably order 2 new coil packs tonight, or just order all 4. That way I have a full set and then see. But if it ends up becoming an issue, then I might convert this over to R8 coils like I did on the SC. Here go Granny getting on Aaron again. On that boy head. Granny said you ain't about to swing that thing. Granny said it don't swing. You ain't got the bars to do it right here. That's why. Positive. Go ahead. You got insurance, right? Go ahead. You got the bars, just don't hit the car. Go ahead, swing check. Go, let's see. Nah, you said you got the bars. These is tight ones right here. Nah, you ain't got the sauce for it. Come on, tight ones. Tight ones. Pussy, you can't do it, that's why. Can't do it. He knew he couldn't do it. He knew he couldn't do it. Sup, Granny?
Keep that shit up, he gonna blow that engine.
Remember how I did the donuts right here? The little small ones? I told him to do it, he got scared. He knew he couldn't do it. He feel me? He ain't got the sauce like your grandson, you feel me? How was church?
It was beautiful.
I was gonna go, but you know, I had to get my car done. I got it running again though.
We had a big crowd today. Love you too, big head.
But yeah, this is it for today. Got what I needed done. I know where I'm at with this car. Coil packs, just go over everything, button everything up. Boo, girl, what you looking at? Don't hate. But yeah, we wrapping this up. Till next time.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma